Hi, writers. I hope that trying out some story ideas yesterday went well for you. Once you decide on a story idea, writers take some time to plan out how that story is going to go across the pages. Today, I want to teach you that writers often plan story ideas with structure in mind. A good story has three parts: a part where the trouble starts, a part where the trouble gets worse, and a part where the trouble's resolved. Each part is like a small moment scene lasting several minutes. You can get this paper where you find these videos, you can print it out. I'm going to have a page for the part where the trouble starts, a page for the part where the trouble gets worse, and a page for where the trouble gets resolved. You could also open a doc and you could have a few paragraphs for each one and maybe leave a blank line in between. So I'm going to be thinking about, what do I want my three scenes to be? So now I'm ready to make a plan and think about what each section will be. You can list this across the pages and touch each page as you tell what it will be about, or you can list it across your fingers. So, thinking about my cow story. Well, in the beginning, I was hiking along and suddenly I saw this cow. That was my problem. And then, I didn't tell you this yesterday, but something else that I noticed was when I looked over, I saw a baby calf. And I got worried because I know that mamas are really protective of their baby calves. So I got really worried and the trouble got worse. And then I need to tell my third scene how it got resolved. So the way that it got resolved is I made sure I didn't go between them, but I basically just made a run for it around the cow the other way. So I'm going to make a little jot at the top of the page about what each scene will be. So scene 1, saw the cow. Here's my jot. Saw the cow. Scene 2, saw the baby, the calf. Scene 3, made a run for it. Once you have a plan of your problem, how the problem gets worse, and how the problem is resolved, then you can start writing each scene. Each scene should be about 6 to 7 minutes of the story. So you might fill up a whole page, and if you need more pages, you can print more or just write more paragraphs. Happy writing! Hi, writers!